Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today we are making some homemade seasoning salt. Yes, this is homemade all-purpose seasoning with salt, and if you are somebody you don't like too much salt in your food, then this spices is best for you, because when you add just a tablespoon of this to your recipes, no need adding in salt again. So let's get started. And of course, we're making some seasoning salt spices. I'm going to need some salt, and I'm going to need some ginger and garlic powder. To that, I have some green marinate spices. I have the recipe coming very soon. I have some sugar, homemade all-purpose seasoning, turmeric powder, onion powder, paprika powder, and some homemade pepper soup spice mix. You can also use any spices that you preferred, okay? But for the salt, it is a must-have. So let's get right into it. So to a bowl, I'm going to add in all my seasoning, some turmeric powder, homemade all-purpose seasoning, green marinade, ginger and garlic powder, some onion powder, and I'm going to add in my paprika powder as well, some homemade pepper soup spice mix, sugar, and almighty salt. You can use any salt at all, okay? Mix it very well until everything is nice and well incorporated. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel, and I know you're going to love staying here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. And after mixing everything together, we're going to transfer this into an airtight container like this. Make sure you are using a very tight container and store for future use. Now, this homemade seasoning salt recipe is very easy to make, and it's a must-have, trust me. A tablespoon of this in your recipes, and guys, your family will start licking their mouth. Trust me on this one. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, baby, please do well to turn it on, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and stay blessed.